Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Harshwati and I make budget beauty, skincare, and lifestyle content. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a complete makeup look using products under just Rs 200. Yes, you heard that right. Total budget friendly. Glam that doesn't break the bank. From foundation to lipstick, I've picked out super affordable products that are easily available online or at your local beauty store. So let's stop wasting time and dive right in.